You want to know the truth about barbering? This is the video for you. You too. I'm coming to you today because we need to talk. What a good feeling. I'm coming to you today because we need to talk. I'm going to tell you the things they never tell you about barbering. If you want to know more about this, stay tuned. FadeMasterLos here, live and direct. Let's go. Interested in any of the tools that you see in this video, click the link down below. The best tools you can get. Before we jump into it, make sure you click that like, that comment, and also subscribe. It's FadeMasterLos here, live and direct. You know, I had to make a list. These are the things that they're not gonna tell you about barbering. I'm telling you, it looks good from the outside, but these are 3 things that you should know. That you should know before becoming a barber. 1, your clients, they're not about to respect your time. It could be a Saturday at 9 o'clock. If you in the shop, they gonna pull up. If it's 4 in the morning and they wanna get a cut before they gotta go out of town, they gonna hit your line and be like, yo, I know your work schedule says 9 to 5. But I'm going out of town, so I need to get a cut at 6 a.m. Now, I'm not saying everybody will do this, but you will have clients that do not respect your time. I'm going to just tell you that from the get-go. And this is no shade towards anybody. It's just part of the game. I had to tell you some of these truths that they're not going to tell you before you start. 2, people will think that you're a robot. Listen. When I tell you, you could tell people, hey, I've been in the shop since 7 a.m. It's 7 p.m., right? Hey, man, can you get me and my homeboy? Can you get me and my cousin? I got 3 people I'm bringing to you. Yo, I'm actually ready to get out of here. I done been here for like 12 hours. Man, come on, man. Please, man. I know you got it in you. You got it. You could do it. Yo, I'm not a machine. I'm not a robot. I need rest, too. For performance. So people, they're not going to tell you in the beginning that this profession, they're going to think you're a robot. For real. Number 3, it's going to take away a lot of time from those that you love, right? They're not going to tell you that. If you're really trying to be top dog in this, if you're really trying to go to the next level in this, you're going to have to put so much time into it, that you take away time from other things that might mean so much to you. Like, people are not going to keep it real about it. It's a lot of goods in this game, but we have moments where it's like, oh, wow, seriously? Now, I could have hit y'all with, picky customers and all that, but I want to hit those topics that nobody's going to talk about. The time that you're taking away from your loved ones, the ones that you care about the most, the ones that you're making this money for outside of yourself, of course. They're not going to tell you those things. So I hope that this video was able to touch somebody, be able to shed some light and give you a vision or a representation of what barbering really is, the stuff that they don't talk about. Now, drop a comment down below if you want to get into some things that I might have missed out on, because we can build on it. I've been doing this for 8 years, so I know all the ups and downs when it comes to barbering. I appreciate you for watching. Make sure you click that like, that comment, and also subscribe. It's FadeMasterLos here, live and direct. Let's go.